In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Meta AI features on Facebook and Instagram. Meta AI can be an incredibly useful tool, but sometimes it's just not what you need. So if you're looking to get some more control over what you're seeing on your social media, let me walk you through the steps. Let's start with Facebook. Begin by opening your Facebook mobile app. This feature isn't available on every device quite yet, so it's important to make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Once you have it open, tap on the search bar. This bar might already have an Ask Meta AI prompt, or you'll see the Meta AI icon nearby. Once you tap that, a chat window will open. Look to the top right corner and you'll see an eye icon, which stands for information. Tap on that icon to proceed to the next step. Within this menu, you'll find options for managing Meta AI here. You want to select mute. When you select this, you have some choices. For those who'd like to silence the AI indefinitely, choose the option until I change it. This setting will keep it off until you're ready to interact with Meta AI again. As an additional tip, if you're using Facebook on a desktop, there's another setting worth considering. You can go to your settings, navigate through audience and visibility, and then to post, here you'll see an option called Allow Comment Summaries on your posts. And turning this off will disable one of AI's features that summarize comments on your posts, adding another layer of control to your Facebook experience. Now let's move over to Instagram. Begin by opening the Instagram app. Much like Facebook, ensure everything is updated to the latest version. Tap on the search bar here as well, and from there, navigate to the Meta AI icon or chat window, depending on what's available. In the chat window, look for that familiar eye icon and tap on it. Navigate through these options to find mute messages. Similar to what we saw with Facebook, you'll want to choose until I change it if you're looking to mute these messages for an indefinite period. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've turned off Meta AI features on both Facebook and Instagram, gaining more control over what you're interacting with on these platforms. Remember, you can always reconsider these changes, adjusting settings back whenever you feel the need to bring AI functionalities back into your social media experience. Thank you for tuning in, and don't hesitate to come back for more tips and tutorials.